ointment at home. Hot balm ointment is used for fast relief of pains, arthritis, back pain, cold sore, muscle pains, dislocation, and general body pain. It is generally massaged on the affected part of the body. In this video, I'm going to take you through the process of how to produce hot balm at home. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing so that you can have instant access to our videos each time we upload them. Before we go into the production proper, let me take you through some safety precautions you will take as you do this preparation. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Hot balm ointment can be made from the following materials. These are candle wax, petroleum jelly, paraffin oil, menthol, industrial camphor, methyl salicylate, color, peppermint oil, and eucalyptus oil. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce about 360 grams of hot balm ointment. Candle wax 25 grams, petroleum jelly 250 grams, paraffin oil 125 ml, menthol 2 tablespoons, industrial camphor 1 tablespoon, methyl salicylate 50 ml, color a pinch, peppermint oil 40 ml, and eucalyptus oil 40 ml. Now let me show you these materials one by one and then we go into the mixing properly. This is candle wax and this is petroleum jelly. This is paraffin oil and this one here is called menthol. This is industrial camphor. This is methyl salicylate and this is the color we're going to use. This is peppermint oil and this is eucalyptus oil. Now the first thing you should do is to put your pot on a gentle fire. Now add your petroleum jelly and candle wax into the pot and allow them to melt. While the pot is still on fire, now you can add your color and stir. Now you can put off the fire or bring the pot down from the fire. Now add the paraffin oil. You can now add the following materials: menthol, industrial camphor, methyl salicylate, eucalyptus oil, and peppermint oil. Now stir it very well and allow it to cool down for a while. You can now fill your containers and your hot balm ointment is ready for use. So thank you very much for watching and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up.